Hey, welcome back. I know last video I told you guys, showed you the house, told you what we were gonna do. I'm gonna take you down in the basement and just kind of follow up on what we did over the past couple of days and what we're gonna do for the rest of the week. So follow me. So I mentioned before that this house was built in the 1750s, and as you can see, it's all post and wood all over the place, and the house has a lot of dry rot. Okay, you can see in this area here, dry rot, and dry rot is actually, for those of you who don't know, it's actually a fungus that attacks the wood and it deteriorates it to the point where it just turns it into this brittle. It completely fails. Okay. This is more common in older homes that use untreated wood to build our houses with. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to replace all that dry rot, and I'm going to show you in the back some of the areas that we already had some progress with that. Follow me. What's your head there, cameraman? Okay, this was one of those beams that was dry rotted, and we ended up replacing it. The process to replace it is a little bit dangerous, but it's kind of simple. You support the structure where you need to, jack the house up, get some of that weight off of it, and then you replace the beam like we did here. We put a double LVL beam in there with a lolly column. This is our concrete filled steel lolly column, and about 12 inches of footing, 20 inches round. So that's going to give the house a good support. You can tell the house is now nice and straight. The floor is getting back up to where it was originally. Our electrician has been in and out, disconnecting wires for us, and all that electrical panel is going to get replaced. So what we're doing today, we're going to replace all these floor joists. That's our plan for the day. So we'll catch up with you guys in another section, and thanks for watching. Hey, hi everybody, welcome back. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I hope you watched the last video and you saw the rotted beams that we had in here, wooden beams. And this is what we did and are in the process of doing. So eventually we're going to replace all of these joists. These are our beams that we replaced with LVLs. And the way we do that is we support the structure momentarily with these temporary shoring jacks. We use a bottle jack to pump the house up. We lift it and place these in place, and then we take it on both sides of the load of the structure, and then we replace the beam, put it in there. We'll put a new concrete filled lolly column. We put a footing underneath. It's about a foot deep and about 16 inches round footing, concrete footing. So that's going to support all the weight of the walls that are above the floor, including the second floor. Okay. We did the same thing with this main beam over here, and we did it with this one here. Okay, and then we replaced all of these joists in this section. This is the master bedroom on the first floor, so we replaced all of the joists. We grab our laser, our nice laser, to take up all our dimensions, all our measurements. We look up our height, how much ceiling height we're going to need, and we'll use it to level the house, bring it up to where we need to so that it's nice and straight. Notice that we put blockings in between these joists. Blockings have a very important job. They actually keep these joists from twisting, okay? And they help with weight distribution. As you walk around on the floor and you step on these beams because of this joist, because of the span, the joists tend to flex. Well, that helps distribute the weight to the other joists beside it, okay? We already started repairing the foundation. So that's where we're at. Just a quick update, and we'll keep going here. We'll keep replacing the joists. Don't forget to like us. Antonio's behind the camera. What do we got to do, Antonio? Like, subscribe, comment. Comments are very important to us, because that way the next video, hopefully we'll get better. You know, we're kind of new at this. So help us out. Give us a comment, give us a like, and subscribe, okay? All right, guys. See you on the next one. Let's go, Antonio. We got a whole bunch of joists to replace.